In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a discount on a Zoho invoice. This is a handy feature if you need to inform your clients about any discounts directly on their invoices. Let's go through the process step by step. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account. If you haven't logged in yet, head over to the Zoho Books website and enter your credentials. Once inside, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. From here, let's navigate to the settings. This can typically be found at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on settings will open a variety of options for managing your account. Next, you'll want to look for the customization tab. This is where you can tailor your invoices and other templates to better fit your business needs. Once you're under the customization tab, you should see an option labeled PDF templates. Click on that. The PDF templates section lets you edit the design and content of your various documents, including invoices, to ensure they meet your specific requirements. Now we are ready to focus on the invoices. Select the invoices option, which will display all the template options available for invoices. Look through the list and find the template you are currently using or wish to edit. Once you've identified it, click on edit. This action will take you into a more detailed view, allowing you to modify specific elements of the invoice template. The task at hand is to add a discount field to your invoice. To do this, we will concentrate on the table settings within the template. With the template open for editing, look for the option labeled Table. Clicking on it will reveal various table settings and fields available for your invoice. Here you will see a range of checkboxes corresponding to different sections you can add or remove. Find the checkbox labeled Discount, simply check the box next to it to include a discount column in your invoices. Adding this column is essential to display any discounts that apply to the items or services you're billing for, and it's a great way to provide clarity to your clients. Before finalizing these changes, it's always a good idea to preview them. This can be done by clicking on the preview button. Doing so will offer a glimpse of how your invoice will appear with the new discount column added. Take a moment to ensure everything looks as you expect. If you're satisfied with how everything looks, the final step is to save your changes. Click on the Save button to apply all the modifications you've made to the invoice template. And there you have it, your invoices are now set to show discounts. Thank you for following along with this guide. We hope this helps you make the most of your Zoho invoices. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Happy invoicing!